Hey, and welcome to another episode of Sweet Life Design. Since we're all in the home on lockdown, I want to do a quick crafting project with some of the things that I had sitting around my home already. So if you're interested in learning how to make this cute little bear in the clouds, stay tuned for instructions. Materials needed for this project are balloon sticks. I got mine from Walmart, a cute teddy bear. You're also going to need light blue, dark blue, and white balloons, ribbon color of your choice, and then also I printed out some gold glitter stars using my Cricut maker. You're going to need a balloon pump, a low temperature glue gun, and glue sticks. To start, you're going to need to blow up a bunch of white balloons. I didn't count how many I needed, but we needed a few. Here's my sidekick. He loves balloons, so yeah, he's trying to attack my balloons. But yeah, you're going to continue to blow up balloons until you think you have enough to make your cloud as puffy or as fluffy as you want the cloud to be. After you have all your balloons blown up, you're going to take them and you want to put them into dupes. So you're going to tie two balloons together, and then after you have the two balloons tied together, you're going to take those two balloons and you're going to tie them to make a quad. Once you have your quad set in place, you want to center your bear or put your bear in position to make sure it sits up by itself. Once you have that figured out, you're going to want to go ahead and get your low temperature glue gun, and you want to connect your quads together using your glue gun. Once your quads are all together, you want to begin to glue your smaller balloons or your extra balloons around the teddy bear to get the cloud shape. You want to have the teddy bear sitting on the balloon so that you know how much space it needs to fit between the balloons. Once you have what you think is enough balloons for the cloud shape that you want, you're done with this portion of the project. Next step is to blow up the bigger balloons that the teddy bear will hold. You're going to blow them up to your desired size. As you see, I'm backing up. I thought the balloon was going to bust, but we're good. Once your balloons are blown up, you want to take your balloon sticks and get the insert and push your balloon into the holes created to hold the balloon. grab your ribbon and you're going to want to cut enough pieces of ribbon to tie around your balloons. The next step is to take your stars or whatever you choose and use your low temperature glue gun and place your stars on the balloons. The final part is to place your balloons in the teddy bear's hand to make it look as if he's holding the balloons. And there you go, it's complete. You have a super cute, super elegant idea for either a baby shower, a christening, or whatever you choose to use it for. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this super cute, super easy DIY project. And please, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a great day. Be safe and stay sweet. Bye.